Salary negotiations. Salary negotiations can be described as the process when unions and employers negotiate conditions that is favorable for their members. The process is called a collective bargaining due to the involvement of employer body and trade unions. It includes improved items such as salaries and wages, maternity, paternity, sick, and other working conditions. Outcome of these negotiations is the signing of a collective agreement which is binding on both parties. Negotiations has three stages. It is called the pre-negotiation stage, the negotiation, and the post-negotiation. The roles of the parties during pre-negotiation is a trade union must get a mandate from their members, collecting information via questionnaires, study the market to sense what is achievable, constant liaison with researchers and analysts for preparation, consolidate their needs and demands, and set up a negotiation protocol with employee representatives. Employers' role is to anticipate and prepare for demands, assessing financial status to rebuff or agree to certain demands, accumulating data from external sources or internal sources, and sharing information. The employee needs to attend meetings, workshops called by the union, provide information that is relevant, give feedback to the union on any problems, and prepare financially for possibility of a strike. During the negotiation process, the trade union must take specialists to the field, negotiate in good faith, be resilient in delivering demands, yet have a fallback position, present clear, well-researched demands, and try to work in partnership with employers to keep the relationship intact. The employer needs to assemble a negotiating team and also negotiate in good faith, respect the rights of employees and union to engage in peaceful industrial action, carry out the rights to lock out workers, and if negotiation is successful, advise representatives to sign agreements. The employee must continue with production at the plant, await feedback from unions, maintain discipline, and respect the existing working conditions, and if negotiations fail, conduct in legal industrial action. During the post-negotiation process, the trade union should legally scrutinize the agreement by the lawyers, sign the agreement if mandate was given, disseminate signed agreement to members, and strategize and take stock of lessons learned for future negotiations. The employer must also, as a signatory, must sign and scrutinize the agreement when consensus is reached, adapt the internal systems to accommodate the new conditions. The employee, on the other hand, needs to provide the mandate to sign the agreement if agreement was reached, familiarize with new working conditions for compliance, and accept losses and embrace victories in negotiations.